Ngisemoyeni right, ngisemoyeni olungile. uNkulunkulu akubusise. Ngiyakubingelela ubingelelo lwapostoli esasigadebe all the way from Elukwatini. FM. Sesikhona, sebakhona. Sesifikile sithekala kade singena enhlizweni, singena engqondweni, sishintshe ingqondo, sishintshe ukucabanga, senze unembeza ahlale kahle egameni likaJesu Kristu. Uzokhula man, uzokhula. Nakulo mnyaka sibuye ngamandla, sibuye ngelinye ipower, sibuye ngelinye igiya. Uzobusiseka egameni likaJesu Kristu seNazaretha. Naso sifundo sethu sanamhlanje. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi so-ready, sowulungele kufunda. Nakho-ke uNkulunkulu akakubusise. In Jesus' name, be blessed. Okay, ake sifundeni bazalwane. Siyafunda laphana encwadini kaGenesis chapter number 4 verse 1 no verse 2. uAdamu wamazi umkakhe uEva, wakhulelwa wazala uKayini. Wathi ngitholile indoda kuJehova. Waphinde wazala uAbela umfowabo. uAbela waba ngumalusi, uKayini waba ngumlimi. Nayo-ke futhi enye inkinga-ke, umuntu wesifazane unikiwe those authorities. Okay, asibuyeleke lesi sizokhona ukuhlanganisa lo verse 4 kuGenesis chapter number 3 verse 15. uGenesis chapter 4 verse 15 yena uthi ngizakubeka ubutha phakathi kwakho nowesifazane, naphakathi kwenzalo yakho nenzalo yakhe. Yona iyakuchoboza ikhanda lakho, wena uyakulimaza isithende sayo. This is the judgment uNkulunkulu ayibekayo, bese anika nomuntu wesifazane ukuthi uzokhulelwa nokunqanela kwakhe kube sendodeni. Now uSathane ulalele uma kuthiwa inzalo yowesifazane yiyo yokuchoboza ikhanda lakho. Now uEva kuchapter 4 uprovoka amadimoni nemimoya yobumnyama ngokuthi kuthi makuzalwa le firstborn abese bekuphawu as if uyinzalo yosifazane, ngoba uEva lo sowunikeza ama-authorities aphelele phezu kwayo. uSathane-ke ngoba akayiqondi indaba yenzalo yowesifazane futhi akayi-understand, wazi i-nature nayo le biology ukuthi owesifazane akanayo inzalo, unembewu. So uqala yona le ndaba yokuthi uma ngabe sekuzovela le sisho sika-Eva esithi ngitholile indoda kuJehova, uSathane wahitha uKayini wamakha. Ngifuna-ke sibuke lokuthi why uNkulunkulu angazange abulale uKayini after abulale uAbel. Ingoba waqonda ukuthi uSathane ukuze azohlala njalo amakhile, ngoba ebesezomakha yonke inzalo kaKayini ngenxa yezwi elikhulunywe uEva phezu kwendodana yakhe enguKayini. That is why uma base basuka sokufika isikhathi somnikelo, le ndaba yomnikelo sizobuya sikhulume nayo, but izwi lakaNkulunkulu elithi wonke umuntu onhliziyo yakhe iyavuma akanikele. Ukhuluma kuMose, bantwana bakwaIsrayeli besehlane. But angifuni sikhulume ngayo namhlanje, kodwa ngifuna sidlule nje kuyo ukuthi uNkulunkulu kwafika isikhathi uKayini noAbela baletha umnikelo baletha umnikelo phambi kaNkulunkulu. uKayini waletha umnikelo owezitshalo ngoba lithi iBhayibheli waba ngumuntu olimayo. Ngalana uAbela yena waletha emvini lezi abekade uverse 2 lithi uAbela waba ngumalusi, uKhayini waba ngumlimi. So baletha izithelo ngokwemhlabathi abasebenza kuyo. Uma eletha ke lo omunye umnikelo kaAbela wamukelwa, umnikelo kaKhayini Sathane wayesethi ngimtholileke la, ngoba Eva sowushilo ukuthi lo uyinzalo, ukuze ngiphazamise lenzalo ibe ngengcolile ngizokwenza ukuthi lo abulale umfowabo. That's how uKhayini killed uAbela. Uma eqeda ukubulala uAbela, lithi iBhayibheli uNkulunkulu wayesembeka uphawu, wahamba waya ngasempumalanga, umbekelani ukuthi umbulalayo angasambulali, ukuze uSathane azoqhubeka amakhe yena while God is preparing ukuletha lenzalo yowesifazane, because inzalo yesifazane it's important ukuthi izobuyisa izwe ngoba izwe selilahlekile. But so ku-impossible ukuthi uKhayini kungaba nguye ongabuyisa izwe ngoba naye sowunesono njengoba bakhe, kodwa osifakelwe ngumamakhe ngokunika umntanakhe ligama, kanti uSathane umakhe every move yaka-Eva. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuyezwakala lapho bazalwane. Then let's go to kunkosikazi kaKhayini, ngoba akuveli ukuthi uvelaphi, but-ke ngokwe-scholars research bayakuveza lokho ukuthi umkaKhayini uvela kwamanye amadodakazi ka-Adamu, ngoba mangabe sesikhulu sokuqala uGenesis chapter number 5 sesibuka futhi uNkulunkulu rearrange the universe, because seyidamejekile kulabafana bawu-2, lo munye sowubulewe, lo munye sowunesono, uphile emhlabeni sowuphansi kwesiqalekiso sesono. So uverse number 4, ngoba uma uchecka laphana leBhayibheli uverse number 1 Genesis chapter 5 ithi lokhu kuyincwadi yezizukulwane zika-Adamu. Mzukwana, uNkulunkulu edala umuntu wamenza ngomfanekiso kaNkulunkulu, wabadala owesilisa nowesifazane, wababusisa, waqamba igama labo ngokuthi abantu mhla bedalwa. U-Adamu wahamba-ke iminyaka yakhe. Asiyeni kuverse 4, uverse number 4, izinsuku zika-Adamu emva kokuzalwa kukaSethi zaziyiminyaka engamakhulu ayisishiyagalombili. Wazala amadodana namadodakazi, which we believe ukuthi-ke one of unkosikazi kaKhayini uphuma kulolu zalo luka-Adamu ngokwe-streamline saka-Adamu, though ungubhuti wakhe kuzalwa, kodwa lithi iBhayibheli loyana soyi-generation lokuphihlikayo sokuvela njengenzalo ka-Eva, kodwa akukabisiyo inzalo yowesifazane. So ingakho-ke siyakwazi-ke uma ungabuka lesizwe sama-China sihamba phansi kwale culture till today. Umntwana makazalwa abashadiselani bona ekuhlukaneni kakhulu, ama-China ashadiselana ngokuzalo lasendlini. So ngeke-ke sidebate kakhulu. That is why sibona ama-China they are more or less the same, bayafana, abahlukaniseki. So siyachubeka-ke nje bazalwane ukuthi lesikhathi-ke sebazalwa sebangathi bayanda-ke abantu. noKhayini soyiqali lwakhe umndeni, ngalana uSethi naye uqalela wakhe umndeni, oku-possible-ke futhi naneminyaka babeyiphila, because the more ipopulation yabantu inyuka, the more iminyaka yokuphila kwabantu incipha. So it adjustwa na-population. So here there was no population, people begin to multiply, bekungabantu, bekungesimaJuda, bekungesibelungu, bekungesibantu abamnyama, bekungabantu. That's what the gospel did. Asikakafiki kuthi nje nesizwe sakaMazulu nesamaSwazi asikaka phembeki la. But masiqhubeka neBhayibheli kuzobe sokuhluthulela ke sokubonakala ukuthi onasi lesizwe samaZulu nasi isizwe samaNdiya sesiyavela zonke lo mhlaba mawuloku ubhizi uqhubeka wanda until sihamba laphana sesifika ku-chapter number 6 lana-ke sokuqala futhi kuyonakala. Yingakho-ke ngiye ngakukhuluma sasikushiya phakathi sagcina kuGenesis chapter number 11 whereby people begin to multiply on earth, in the face of earth. Banda kungekho umuntu ofayo, bantu bephila iminyaka, abanye bephila abo-800 abo-900, banda abantu bachuma bagcwalisa umhlaba until ke sesifika lapha kuGenesis chapter number 6 sifunda lesikhathi abantu sebanda. Ngicela ke sibuke kancane from verse 1 nakhona. Kwathi abantu baqala ukwanda ebusweni bomhlaba bezala amadodakazi. Amadodana kaNkulunkulu abona amadodakazi abantu ukuthi mahle, azithathela abafazi kuwo awathandayo. Wayesethi uJehova, umoya wami awuyikubusa njalo kumuntu njengokuba eyinyama nje, izinsuku zakhe ziyakuba yiminyaka 120. uNkulunkulu-ke lesikhathi isono sesanda nobubi banda, leli gama lokuthi amadodana kaNkulunkulu abona emadodakazini abantu. In fact, these people were angels. So because of God was still ehambela abantu bephila, ama-angels they were servants in the house of God ezulwini. So ama-servants ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe izosisiza lento. Sometimes sinokuba nezisebenzi even emndenini ekhaya, sigcine sibone ngendlela abasikhuthele ngayo nendlela abasebenza ngayo, bagcina sebangabama-adoptive families ukuthi bayingxenye yala ekhaya. So bagcina sebafana nabantwana bala emndenini, even though they are not biological children within the family. So this is what happening. uNkulunkulu naye ama-angels wayawabiza amadodana akhe, but though bengasi madodana akhe. Yingakho uma usofunda futhi incwadi yamaHubo, uDavida athi uyini umuntu ukuthi umthande kangaka, waze wamenza waba ngaphansana kwengelosi. Ngamanye amagama ingelosi nazo they were claiming, that is why uSathane naye wagcina sekaxoshwe ezulwini, because even naye uLucifer was claiming ukuthi uyindodana kaNkulunkulu, kanti uyindodana kaNkulunkulu ngokukhandleka kwemisebenzi ayenzayo, but angeke avuke adle ifa lombuso wendlu wabantwana bendlu yakaNkulunkulu. So ihamba kanjalo-ke bazalwane. Ngiyafisa-ke ukuthi angazi mhlambe uNkulunkulu mangabe yasibusisa, hopeful ukuthi nala ufundile futhi, ngoba inhloso yethu sifuna kuyilanda size sihambe nayo. Ilesikhathi-ke sokuzongenelela uNoah kuzobhubha umhlaba. Ngifuna ukuthi siyibuke sihamba ngama-curves, because the focus now sokufanele kuyoba yilenzalo kaSethi ezokuproducer inzalo yosifazane, while the devil usowubambe okurong ukuthi inzalo kaKhayini okuyiyona ezoda. That is why uJesu wathi noma safikile abakhonanga kumbona, ngoba uSathane amehlo akhe abesendaweni erong. Wazitshela ukuthi umakhile laphana lesikhathi afaka umoya wokubulala, afaka umoya wenzondo, afaka umoya wokuvukela umfowabo kuKhayini, ngoba uKhayini u-Eva makaqala athi ngitholile indoda kuJehova, wabe secabanga ukuthi iyona nzalo yosifazane ekumele ichoboze ikhanda lakhe, wamakha lenzalo until uNkulunkulu-ke wahamba-ke. Sizoyifunda-ke sisukela sizofika kuboMalaki la ikheva khona ibaleka iputsha kuze kuyofinyelela kuJesu, ngoba uJesu bazalwane uyinkosi efanele ukwamukelwa kuko konke ukwamukelwa. uNkulunkulu akakubusise kulesifundo sanamhlanje. Hopeful ukuthi you are blessed and you will stay blessed. uNkulunkulu akakumultiply. This year it's your year. Now uNkulunkulu afuna uphumelele khona. Be blessed. Bye bye.
Please don't do it without me. Don't do it without me. You got to tell them for yourself. Lord, whatever you're doing in this season, please don't do it without me. Woo! Don't do it without me. Come on, help me say it. Lord, whatever you're doing in this season, please don't do it. You gotta tell them for yourself. You gotta tell them for yourself. Don't do it without me. Come on, say it like you mean it. Lord, whatever you're doing in this season, please don't do it without. No. Somebody needs a healing tonight. If you need a healing, just say, Lord, if you're healing in this season, please don't do it without me. No. I don't care what the sickness is. Lord, if you're healing, Lord, if you're healing, I know you're healing in this season. Please don't do it without me. No. Anybody need a blessing? Anybody need a blessing? Lord, if you're blessing in this season, please don't do it without. I don't want you to do it without me. Don't do it without. I know you got a lot of people to take care of, but Lord, if you're blessing, and I know that you are, please don't do it without me. No. Don't do it without. I just want you to say that last line. Say that last line. Don't do it without me. Let me hear you say it. Don't do it without me. Please, Jesus, don't do it without me. I know you got a lot of people to